In this video, we are going to talk about the best garden forks that can make your gardening tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you need a strong digging fork to break up tough soil, a spading fork to aerate your garden beds, or a manure fork to move mulch and compost, choosing the right tool can save you time and effort. Different gardeners have different needs. Some want a heavy-duty option for serious digging, while others need something lightweight for everyday tasks. That's why we've put together this list to help you find the perfect garden fork for your specific work. Make sure to comment below and let us know which one is your favorite, or if you already have a go-to garden fork that you swear by. Now, let's get started. At number 5, the HANTOP 4-tine heavy-duty garden fork is a great choice for those who need a strong, all-purpose tool for various gardening tasks. Whether you're loosening soil, lifting mulch, or even digging up root vegetables, this fork is designed to handle it all. The solid steel head is built in one piece, making it strong and resistant to bending. The fiberglass handle adds durability, and the non-slip grip makes it easy to hold, even when wearing gloves. If you're looking for a garden fork that can handle daily gardening tasks and last a long time, this is a great option. Moving to number 4, the Mujocooker 4-tine spading digging fork is designed specifically for digging and breaking up soil. If you're dealing with hard-packed dirt, clay, or heavy soil, this fork will make the job easier. The 4 diamond-pointed steel tines are sharp and strong, making it effortless to dig deep and turn over tough soil. It also features a durable metal handle, which lasts longer than traditional wooden ones. The comfortable D-shaped grip gives you better control, reducing strain on your hands and wrists. This is a great choice for gardeners who frequently need to prepare planting beds or aerate compact soil. At number 3, the Radius Garden 203 PRO stainless steel digging fork is one of the best ergonomic options available. If you have a lot of digging and cultivating to do, but want to reduce strain on your hands and wrists, this is the tool for you. Unlike traditional digging forks, this one features an O-shaped handle that provides 4 times more grip space, allowing for a comfortable and natural hold. The stainless steel tines are strong and rust-resistant, while the extra long design makes it easier to reach tight spots. This is a great investment for serious gardeners who want a high-quality digging fork that's designed for comfort and durability. Coming in at number 2. The Truper 30293 spading fork is a great option for those who want a simple, lightweight, and reliable tool for turning soil and digging in garden beds. It features a 30-inch wooden handle, making it easy to maneuver, especially in raised garden beds or smaller spaces. The 4 forged steel tines are tough enough to handle most digging and turning tasks, and the D-handle provides a secure grip. If you're looking for a traditional-style spading fork with a strong build and comfortable handling, this one is a solid choice. Finally, at number 1, the True Temper 6-tine steel manure fork is the best option for moving loose materials like mulch, compost, manure, or hay. Unlike digging forks, which are made for breaking up soil, this manure fork has 6 curved tines that allow you to easily scoop and lift bulky, lightweight materials without them slipping off. The 48-inch hardwood handle gives you extra leverage, making it easier to move large amounts of material with less effort. If you're working with mulch, compost piles, or cleaning out stables, this is the perfect tool to make the job faster and more efficient. Choosing the right garden fork depends on what you need it for. If you're mainly digging and breaking up soil, the Mujocooker or Truper digging forks will be your best bet. For those who want a more ergonomic design, the Radius Garden 203 PRO offers superior comfort and control. If you need a reliable, all-around fork for various garden tasks, the HANTOP model is a great choice. And for anyone handling mulch, manure, or hay, the True Temper 6-tine fork is the best tool for the job. No matter what kind of gardening or yard work you do, having the right tool makes everything easier, saving you time and effort in the long run.